प्रकार की नहीं। ऐसी स्थिति में अच्छा होगा कि अब जो आपने काम शुरू किया है उस काम को इसी रूप में लाने की कोशिश करें तो जनता से का हित ज्यादा से ज्यादा होगा। मैं अंत में आपको धन्यवाद इसलिए देना चाहता हूं कि आपने नई एक व्यवस्था की है। इस नई व्यवस्था के अंदर हर क्षेत्र के लोग अपने अपने अस्तित्व को नहीं, अपने काम को जन सेवा में लगाने की कोशिश करेंगे और जो जिनको सम्मान मिला है उनको मैं बधाई देना चाहता हूं। और बधाई के एवज में केवल इतना ही चाहता हूं और कुछ नहीं चाहता कि आप गरीब के संबंध में अपनी कलम से, अपनी वाणी से, अपनी पुस्तक से किसी न किसी प्रकार का कार्य करते रहें। ये अलग जागता रहे, अलग जगता रहेगा तो गरीब हिंदुस्तान की उस जनसंख्या में शामिल होगा जो कुर्बानी करने को तैयार हो सकता है, लेकिन देश में किसी प्रकार की हानि हो जाए उसको सहन नहीं कर सकता। उस प्रकार के गरीबों की सहायता करने का एक व्रत यहाँ से अस्मिता तो इन्होंने दिया ही है। अस्मिता बचाने के लिए इस देश की अस्मिता जब भी बचेगी जब हिंदुस्तान के 100 करोड़ व्यक्ति एक साथ खड़े होंगे, समस्याओं का समाधान होगा और हम आगे बढ़ने की चेष्टा करेंगे। मैं कराल साहब आपका बहुत आभारी हूँ, आपने मुझे आमंत्रित किया। बहुत बहुत
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर। खड़े होकर धन्यवाद। MIT और भारत अस्मिता राष्ट्रीय पुरस्कार की सफलता में अग्रणी हैं श्री राहुल कराड़, विद्वान पिता के।
जननी जन्मभूमिश्च स्वर्गादपि गरीयसी। Honorable Vice President of India Shri Bhairav Singh Shekhawat, Honorable Justice Shri Y.K. Sabharwal, respected Chairman of Bharat Asmita Governing Council Shri T.N. Session, respected members of Bharat Asmita Governing Council Committee Dr. R.A. Mashalkar, Dr. Yashpal, Dr. Vishwanath Karad, Dr. Bhatkar, Bhaskara Awad. On this day of 3rd of February 2007, as I stand before you to conclude the 3rd Bharat Asmita National Awards, in the capacity of convener of Bharat Asmita National Award, I feel with a deep sense of pride. I see that the Bharat Asmita National Award is creating the impetus needed to build a new generation of social, educational and political leaders who would be instrumental in shaping the face of modern India. As India moves ahead on the road of becoming the developed country, the globe would love to see the India emerge as a benevolent and prosperous nation, which has a wisdom and vision to lead through a strong focus on betterment of humanity and respect for the very planet we live and depend on. As I conclude the ceremony, I would like to take this opportunity to thank Chief Guest of today's function, Shri Bhairav Singh Shekhawat, for gracing this ceremony. He has made us believe through this auspicious presence at vital ceremonies that with the committed efforts of MIT School of Government will achieve its goal of propagating strong democratic values. I thank the guest of honor, Justice Shri Y.K. Sabharwal, for his advice and words of wisdom. We foresee that the school and its students have a lot to benefit from the sea of knowledge he has at his disposal. I thank Shri Naveen Patnaik. Today he is not here. He has led the masses of Orissa state, which is now claiming a stake amongst India's most sought after investment destinations. My thanks also goes to Rajkumar Hirani, who has enlightened young Indians with a strong spirit of Gandhism, spreading the message of peace for prosperity of the nation. Moving away from the conventional movies, he has shown that very effective message can be delivered very subtly through the entertainment media. I thank Shri Shekhar Gupta, who not only talks but also walks all the way to ensure that the spirit and the flame of journalism is kept burning and is not affected by the surge of commercialization. I thank Shri Prakash Apteji, who is setting a new benchmark in the management education, one which is inspiring many management institutions to follow in his path and to excel. I thank Shri Jyotiraditya Scindia, who despite his royal upbringing strongly emphasizes with his grassroots necessities. His strong social commitment is inspiring young Indians to wake up to the challenge of working for the nation. I thank Shri Barkhaji as well. We are very happy that this year you could present, Madam, and we are thankful for that. I take this opportunity to thank respected members of Bharat Asmita